Hi guys, what's up? If you're new here, hey girl, hey. This is Boss Vision, where I share with you everything you need to know about making candles. And in today's video, I want to try something different. So I am a DIY girly down, okay? I love to make candles, any kind of body lotion, body butters, whatever. And I was like, why not jump on this dusting powder trend, but make it more Boss Vision-esque? So we're not gonna do the same thing everyone else does. Well, it's just gonna be different ingredients. But yeah, I'm super excited, guys. I want to share with you everything I have here on this table. Definitely recommend you do this as well. It's so fun, especially in the summer. It's August right now. I live in Austin, Texas, so it's still gonna be moist, humid for another 3 months. So I'm not that late to the party, but yeah, I've been thinking about this for a while and finally got the time to do it. I hope Chloe Yasmin is okay. She's my inspo for this video and I haven't seen her post in a while. So if you guys keep Chloe Yasmin in your prayers, cause like, yeah, I haven't heard from her in a while. But yeah, I got everything here. So I know you're supposed to have a really cute jar. So I have 2 really cute jars. Here's the first one and here is the second one. So I'm going to be making a baby powder, so soft powder here. And then on this side, we're going to be making a vanilla powder, guys. I'm super excited. So I got all of my items pretty much over time from being a hoarder. I'm gonna do a house tour soon. I'll do a full house tour and then I'll do a room tour of every room, like bedroom tour, my office tour, my candle studio tour, like every room so everybody could see that, because your girl has a lot of stuff and I've accumulated a lot of stuff over time. So yeah, really cool and exciting. Over time, I've purchased a lot of perfumes. I've recently graduated from the obsession with going to Ross, TJ Maxx, and all of those different types of places, because what I've realized is when you go to Ross, TJ Maxx, and all of those types of places to get perfumes, those perfumes are there for a reason. So I've been trying to stay away from that and I just buy eau de parfums from like Victoria's Secret, or I'll buy it from fragrance.net if I like it, if it's a high quality fragrance. So yes, guys, this was one of the first fragrances that I ever bought. Michael Kors Sexy Amber. It's not really amber to me. It's like a powdery scent. To me, this is like a good, fresh, powdery scent. So I'm putting that in with the Brightest Bloom Body Mist. I love this scent. When I first smelled it at the Bath & Body Works outlet, I was dying, y'all. It smells so good. And then I'm going to mix that with Noah Cacharel. I learned this from Chloe Yasmin. I was just talking about her. I learned about this from her videos. She was like, this is a really good soapy scent. At first, I couldn't smell it, but it's really important to keep spraying it. And like she said, the alcohol from the beginning goes away and it's so powdery, it's so good. And then I'm putting in just pure soap. I got this from Demeter. This Demeter has always been that brand where you know it's just gonna be like that. Pure soap, baby powder, whatever, they have both. So this is their pure soap one. And then I got Moonlight Path. This is a throwback. Who remembers Moonlight Path, guys? Moonlight Path here. It's a fragrance mist. They said fine fragrance mist, but yeah, it's a mist. It's not gonna last very long. And then the king of all kings, Double Diamond, guys. Oh my gosh, so this is the baby powder eau de parfum spray. Amazing. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. So I did learn about this from Chloe Yasmin as well. And every time I wear this, I get so many compliments. I really wear it with this Michael Kors and Brightest Bloom, all 3 together. Your girl, like everybody's like, you smell good, you smell good. I be at the gym, people like, you smell good. That's how long it lasts. I mean, people said to use this shower power. You can get this from Dollar Tree, but I got it off Amazon. I got the sport one. So I know I'm gonna wear this to the gym. So it's perfect to use this. I wanna put it like in my crevices, like in my neck, armpits, inner thighs, to stay fresh at all times. For that one, super exciting. And then I got all of these little puffers. Like these puffers are super cute. So I think I'm gonna use the pink one, obviously, with the pink dusting powder thing. So freaking cute. Okay, so that is my entire situation. And then I also have like a scooper if I wanna scoop it out. I don't know if I'll ever need to do that, but I have that available. And then here I have my vanilla powder. My vanilla powder. I'm super excited to make that. This is a vanilla cashmere French perfume I picked up a few months ago. I never even use it, so it's great to actually start to use it. Look how new, and it's been forever and I never used it. But it's a cashmere vanilla. I wanted to use that in this. This is like a wild card because this is vanilla and this ain't got nothing to do with it. This is like more pistachio. But I got some Sol de Janeiro eau de parfum here that I'm going to put in there. Oh, it smells so good. And then this Kayali, of course, vanilla. I never really use it, so I want to put it in there. And then the Billie Eilish vanilla. People say it smells like pickle juice. It does not smell like pickle juice to me. It smells so freaking good. And then I got this Bare Vanilla recently from Victoria's Secret, guys. I freaking love this Bare Vanilla. It smells so good. Oh my God. Y'all, this is the best. Like, it smells heavenly. And then I got some little fine fragrances. Amber Romance from Victoria's Secret and the Bare Vanilla fragrance mist. It just clicked to me as I was uploading my last little video that the Bare Vanilla mist, it has an eau de parfum. Who knew? That's so crazy. So now they're together. And then I also have this whipped almond eau de parfum. I don't know. I think I got this from Target randomly one day. And then it's a big jar because I'm going to use this a lot, you know, during the day. And then I got this Morning Fresh lavender time-released fragrant powder. So I don't know. I don't really know if I want it to smell like lavender. Let me see. Should I switch them? You know what I mean? They'll be fine. Like, I really feel like these fragrances are going to overpower everything. So I got to get started. I've never done this before. I don't even know how it goes. I'm just guessing. Yeah, let's just start. Okay, let's zoom in. Get you guys on my phone zoomed in. Let's start with vanilla. Vanilla, baby. Okay. Don't look at my dead flowers, okay? I see you guys on my phone. Okay, so this is so cool. What a blessing. Okay, so this is the canister that I got, and I'm just gonna open it all the way. Trials and tribulations. I guess I can't I have to open it all the way. There's no way I could. What? I guess I can't. Okay. How long would this take? Like, I don't think I could do it like this. This is not sustainable. Shower power. Okay, I guess I got to. Oh, it's starting to pour out. Okay. It was clogged. Okay, y'all. This is fun. This smells so good. Okay, maybe I could go halfway and then add some fragrance. Now, so I'm going to add in my whipped almond, my Bare Vanilla, Amber Romance, my Billie Eilish, my Bare Vanilla Eau de Parfum. Oh, it smells so good. French? How do you say that word? Okay, so that kind of darkened it. And now that I've gotten started, I guess I can show y'all from up close. Crazy. Okay, now you're up close and personal. Okay, so up close and personal, that's everything in there. Let me add more. Okay, and now we're gonna just spray it. Okay, just mix that up. I always wondered how this goes. I guess it'll dry into the powder. Let's see what it smells like. Still kind of smells like lavender. Let me see. Use my little duster. Okay, that just smells like lavender. We really need to up the ante here. Oh yeah. Okay, we're in business, y'all. Okay, y'all. I love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. Oh, so it smells like perfume, but it's like a good powder for you. Like, I love that. So I'm just gonna do a little bit. Like, don't do too much so that you could put your puffer in there and close her up. Ah, this is so cute. Come on. I love this. You know, thumbnail me. I love it. Okay, so let's do the powder one. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so freaking fun. Now y'all know the process. Yes, I am in my kitchen. I could have done this in my room, but I don't know. It's messy. I just wanted to do it down here. Isn't this so pretty? Okay, so here we are. Let's put the stuff in here. This is so fun. Separate everything so you get the vibes, the full vibes. Move. You had your time. Right here. Oh, this one I can open. Yeah. Yes, baby. So there's that. I wonder if I'm doing this right. I'm literally just guessing. I was like, you just need some fragrance and you need some powder. That's all I thought. I'm going to watch other people's videos after this to see, but it's always good to do creative control, you know, like do it your way first. Double diamond. Okay. I'm so excited to have these. Pure Soap Moonlight Path, the brightest bloom. And you know we gotta put that Michael Kors in there. Okay, so let me stir that and smell it. See what we're working with so far. What you working with? See what you working with. I see that. It smells like alcohol. I don't even smell anything right now. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm just doing it. Okay, and more perfume. I've seen people put oil in here, which I was like, that defeats the purpose. Aren't you trying to make it take away moisture? I really feel like, because I walk a lot, like I do my walking pad a lot, my inner thighs be sweating. How do other women deal with being in the gym? Like, we sweat in our inner areas. Men's balls sweat. I wonder why they don't have like sweat stains when they work out. Because it's really awkward if you're in a room full of men and you sit down to train legs and you get up and there's just like this V-shaped sweat puddle. And I'm just like, what are you looking at it like that for? I'm sorry that it's there. It's kind of weird, huh? Y'all, I don't really, like, I smell it, but I think I'm overstimulated right now. I just need to like chill. Let me put my dusting powder thing in there. I feel like I've been killing it with the measurements too, like do half of it. That way I can still put my little duster in there. So cute, y'all, so cute. So exciting. Okay, so now I have dusting powder. And put it right on my inner thighs. I wonder how messy this is. Oh, it smells good. I smell it now. Oh my God, I smell it. Okay, I smell fragrance. Ooh, it smells like perfume. Ooh, this is gonna be so fun. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, guys, tell me what you think of my dusting powders. Very simple process here, guys. I also got a powder brush because a couple influencers showed me that powder brushes seem to work really well too. Like if you just wanted to dust it on you. I like the powder thing, but I don't know. Some people like a brush. So I bought this. It was like $3 off Amazon. I'll link everything that I used down below. Hope this video was fun for you guys. Just want to do something quick and fun to share something else besides candle making on Boss Vision. Stay tuned. We will have a lot more candle making videos as fall comes up to prepare you guys for the busiest candle season ever. All right, y'all. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your next hour. Just living your purpose and love life. Okay, bye.